Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you POST SQL query in Informatica. So here, this is a workflow and I am running a session over here. You can see session is running and we will see how many rows are getting loaded into the target table. So you can see there are 5 rows which is applied. It means 5 rows are loaded into the target table. This is a source table. In the source are having 5 rows and the same 5 rows which we have run the session now, so it is getting loaded into the target table. So now we will know about what is post SQL. Post SQL is a post session SQL commands or queries which we can add in the source qualifier transformation in mapping level, or we can override over here also in the session. So what you have to do is you have to open the session and click on the targets. Here you can see pre-SQL and post SQL is there. So in the post SQL, I'm just writing the query over here. I am writing delete statement over here. It will delete the records in which PMT parent column value is having null. I am writing commit also. Apply and OK. I will save the changes. Now I am starting this session. You can see workflow is succeeded. I will check how many rows applied. You can see there are 5 rows which is applied. I can see in the session statistics. Now, but in the target table there are only 2 rows. In the source having 5 rows, in the target table there are only 2 rows. So those records are deleted from the target table in which PMT parent column value is having null. So post session SQL commands are used to run after the integration service writes to target. While running the workflow, if you will see in the session statistics that these many rows are loaded, but only some rows are there in the target table. So you may check the post SQL command for this. So this was all about post SQL command. If you really liked this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.